December 2024, Antarctica's Victoria Land. Scientists drill through 14 meters of ancient ice, expecting to find nothing. Instead, they lowered a camera into complete darkness, and what stared back at them defied every law of biology. This is Lake Enigma, and what lies beneath its frozen surface will rewrite our understanding of life on Earth and beyond. Lake Enigma. Even its name whispers of secrets. Trapped between two glaciers in Antarctica's northern foothills, this lake has been hiding something extraordinary for thousands of years. For decades, scientists believed it was completely frozen solid. Average temperatures, minus 14 degrees Celsius. Winter lows, minus 40.7 degrees Celsius. In the world's most inhospitable desert, nothing should survive here. But in 2019, an international team of researchers arrived with ground-penetrating radar and a theory that would change everything. What they discovered beneath 14 meters of ice wasn't emptiness, it wasn't death, it was 40 feet of liquid water. And something was moving in it. The question that would haunt the scientific community: how is liquid water possible in one of the most frozen places on Earth? And what could possibly be alive down there? Summer 2020. The team returns with drilling equipment and an underwater camera. What they're about to discover will challenge everything we know about the limits of life. Meter by meter, they penetrate the ice. 5 meters, 10 meters, 14 meters, and then breakthrough. The camera descends into absolute darkness. No sunlight has touched this water for millennia, but as the lights illuminate the depths, something impossible appears. Microbial mats, living carpets of organisms covering the lake floor like an alien landscape. But these aren't ordinary microbes. Some form thin, spiky coatings. Others create massive tree-like structures rising 16 inches from the lake bed, spanning 2 feet in diameter. It's like discovering an alien forest in Earth's most hostile environment. But here's what sent shivers down every scientist's spine. Many of these organisms are photosynthetic. They're creating oxygen in complete darkness. The water contains dissolved oxygen levels that shouldn't exist. These creatures have evolved beyond our understanding of biology, but the most disturbing discovery was yet to come. Among the microbial mats, scientists identified something that made their blood run cold: bacteria. These aren't your ordinary bacteria, they're predators. Ultra-small organisms with genomes so reduced they can barely survive on their own. They attach to larger cells like parasites, or hunters. What's terrifying is that bacteria had never been found in ice-covered lakes before. They don't survive in high-oxygen environments. Yet here they are, thriving in conditions that should kill them. Dr. Stefano Urbini, the expedition coordinator, couldn't hide his amazement. These microbes have created a complex food web in total isolation, predators hunting prey in eternal darkness. But this raised the most chilling question of all. If life can survive and evolve in Lake Enigma's impossible conditions, what else might be hidden beneath Antarctica's ice? Scientists estimate there are over 400 subglacial lakes beneath Antarctica's ice sheet. If just one contains this level of complexity, what horrors or wonders await in the others? To understand Lake Enigma's impossible ecosystem, we must journey back 14 million years, to when Antarctica's ice sheets first formed. As glaciers slowly covered the continent, they trapped Lake Enigma beneath tons of ice. The lake became a time capsule, sealing in whatever life existed when Antarctica froze. The microbes discovered today could be direct descendants of organisms that lived when Antarctica was warm and green. Ancient life, evolved in isolation for millions of years. But here's the mystery that keeps scientists awake at night. Where does the water come from? Antarctica is a desert, less rainfall than the Sahara, brutal winds, intense solar evaporation. Any surface water should have vanished eons ago. The only explanation: a hidden water source, likely connected to the amorphous glacier, feeding the lake through secret underground channels we've never detected. This suggests something even more extraordinary: a vast hidden hydrological system beneath Antarctica's ice. An underground world we're only beginning to discover. Lake Enigma's discovery has sent shockwaves far beyond Earth because the conditions here mirror environments we've detected on Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Enceladus. Subsurface oceans beneath thick ice. No sunlight, extreme cold, limited nutrients. If complex ecosystems can thrive in Lake Enigma, they could exist throughout our solar system. Dr. Urbini stated, "This finding provides a blueprint for understanding potential extraterrestrial ecosystems. We're not just studying Earth's limits, we're preparing for first contact. Future missions to these moons will use Lake Enigma as a template. If we find similar microbial mats beneath alien ice, we'll know we're not alone. But there's a darker possibility. If predatory bacteria like Pteridobacteria exist on other worlds, what other forms of alien life might have evolved in the darkness? Here's what the government isn't telling you. Lake Enigma isn't the first hidden ecosystem discovered beneath Antarctic ice. It's just the first they've admitted to publicly. With over 400 subglacial lakes beneath Antarctica, and the continent heavily restricted to civilian access, what other discoveries are being kept secret? International research stations with military-grade infrastructure, restricted zones, limited tourist access. The question isn't what we found in Lake Enigma. It's what else they've found that we'll never hear about. Every drilling operation, every discovery, every sample, controlled by governments with their own agendas. Lake Enigma's revelation might be just the tip of the iceberg. Lake Enigma has shattered our understanding of life's limits. Ancient predators thriving in eternal darkness, complex ecosystems in impossible conditions, hidden worlds beneath Earth's most hostile environment. This discovery proves that life finds a way in places we never imagined possible. It suggests that beneath Antarctica's ice lies an entire hidden biosphere, evolved in isolation for millions of years. As climate change threatens to expose more of Antarctica's secrets, we're racing against time to discover what other ancient worlds lie frozen beneath the ice. The question isn't whether more hidden ecosystems exist in Antarctica. The question is, what else will we find that challenges everything we thought we knew about life, evolution, and our place in the universe? Lake Enigma has opened a door to hidden worlds, and we've only just begun to peek inside. What do you think lies beneath Antarctica's remaining ice? Share your theories below and subscribe for more discoveries that will change how you see our world.